In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch between iMessage and text message on your iPhone. Whether you have a preference for using either service or need to switch due to connectivity issues, understanding how to toggle between iMessage and SMS can be quite handy. To begin with, we'll focus on how you can turn iMessage on or off on your device. This capability is particularly useful when you need to ensure your messages are sent in the format you want, whether that's iMessages, which are the blue bubbles, or traditional SMS, represented by the green bubbles. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the Settings app. From the home screen, look for the familiar grey gear icon and tap on it. Once inside Settings, scroll down to find the Apps section and then select Messages. This section is the control center for all your messaging configurations. Here, you'll see a toggle switch for iMessage. If the switch is showing green, that means iMessage is currently enabled. To send your messages as iMessages, which uses data or Wi-Fi for a richer messaging experience, leave this toggle on. When iMessages is activated, your messages to other Apple devices will show up in blue bubbles. However, if you want to switch to sending traditional SMS, simply toggle the iMessage option off. This will force your device to send messages as standard text messages depicted as green bubbles. This can be particularly helpful in areas with poor cellular data coverage, as SMS uses the cellular network instead. Now, sometimes you might experience an issue where an iMessage just won't send. In such cases, you have the option to manually resend it as a text message. Let's say you've sent an iMessage and it's stuck with a blue bubble but isn't successfully sending. What you should do is tap and hold on the undelivered message. A menu will appear, and from there you'll want to select Send as Text Message. Choosing this option will convert the message to SMS, indicated by a green bubble, and attempt to resend it using your cellular network. Mastering these simple steps allows you to have full control over your messaging on the iPhone, ensuring you stay connected regardless of the network conditions. This flexibility means you can always choose the format that best suits your circumstances or preferences. So there you have it, a straightforward way to manage your messaging preferences between iMessage and SMS on your iPhone. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on how to get the most out of your devices.